Well guys, it's a bit later in the day and I've like jet washed everything today. I've been on a mad one. It's like I've had an ounce of flipping speed. I've definitely had about 5 or 6 Stellas, but got loads done, got all the garden done. Mrs. C's car is absolutely gleaming. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the last video guys. So here I am. It's like 5 to 4 in the afternoon and I'm getting a bit hungry now. Now Mrs. C, she's all sorted. Hello Mrs. C.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm hungry now.
Oh, what we got?
Chicken adobo with eggs.
Chicken adobo with eggs. Mmm, yum yum.
No pork.
No pork?
Pork adobo.
Oh, it's pork adobo with eggs.
Yeah.
Look at this guys. It's good stuff. If you've never tried Filipino food, just hit us up, come round, get yourself a meal. Well, Mrs. C was very kind and she lit the barbecue that I've just washed this morning. So I'm having sausages, I'm having hot dogs, that's what I'm having. So I've got these Italian style sub rolls. I'll be having a few of these. And I just need some nice sausages to go in there. So, in one of the many fridges. Oh, here we go. Let's smash some of these out, I think. Got chicken in there, but I don't think I'll be barbecuing that today. Well, these will do. We'll have some sausages. So I've just got to catch my own dinner, which I've caught, and cook my own dinner. We're going Neanderthal style, guys. And I'm just going to drink a shitload more Stella on the way forward. For you guys that were pretty much as old as I am, you probably remember Keith Floyd. Now Keith Floyd was a chef. Man, he was entertaining. He was really good. Keith Floyd used to cook. And he had a TV show and he used to have a bottle of wine and he used to put a bit of wine in the food and he'd have a glass for himself. By the end of the show he was fucking arsehole, guys. This guy was hammered. Keith Floyd, bloody legend, that's all I can say. Well guys, Keith Floyd has got nothing on me. Nothing, because I do it with a Stella. So here's the barbecue. That's coming along just nicely. And we're going to throw these sausages on there. And I'm having hot dogs today, guys. I did want a jacuzzi because I cleaned all that out yesterday. But unfortunately, the jacuzzi is telling me it's only at 30 degrees. And that's not really good. It needs to be like at 40. So, no jacuzzi for me today. Just the barbecue. So let's get these open. Let's get them on there. Let's get this road on the show. Okay guys, just to spice things up a little bit, I've raided Ascension's larder. She's got so much grub up here, so many sauces. So what did we choose? We have gone for a little bit of olive chili infused oil. This is really cool. We'll have a bit of that. Oh yeah. Some special hot sauce. It's buffalo hot. Yeah, that's for me. Trusty paintbrush and one of them. So let's throw a bit of this stuff in here. And I'll make a little sauce to spread over my sausage. Hey! Actually, that sounds quite painful. Let me rephrase that. I'm going to make a little bit of a marinade barbecue brush-on sauce to put over my pork sausages, which I'm going to have in the buns. I mean, look at this, guys. Mrs. C. We've got so many different types of herbs and spices and tomato things. Oh man, you would not believe the stuff she's got in her larder. Second floor, we've got Jesus Christ, we got everything. Sauces, more sauces. This thing goes right back to here. It's just like, it's massive. Up the top, because I'm tall, that's just full of seasonings and mixes and shit like that. And if you go on top of the other fridge, oh, that's got even more stuff in there as well. I mean, look, it's absolutely rammed out, guys. We've got a massive fridge freezer, another freezer, another fridge, and then just all this garbage. Right, there we go. So we've got the chili infused sauce, we've got the red hot stuff. We're just going to mix it in. We're going to make something nice. I'll spread that on my sausages. Not on my sausage, because like I said, that'd be quite painful. And we'll get them cooked up, guys. Yippee. Oh, we left that there. Perfect. Barbecue's about ready, guys. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I think what I'll do is I'll put the sausages on the shelf over the top and then shut it down, let them smoke for a bit. Yum yum. 10 of them. Outdoor bred pork sausages blended with herbs and spices. Well, outdoor bred, you're not going to breed them indoors, are you? Imagine them in your front room. Oh dear. Okay, so stick the old sausages up top at the moment. We'll get a bit of this. It's going to be tasty. It's going to be tasty. And then we'll drop a bit of that on top of the sausages. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Let's just do that. Let it do this thing. Right there. I saved a little bit. Still some left. I'm just going to shut that down and let that cook up. Okay, guys. It's looking nice. Them old sausages, they're cooking up lovely. Oh, look at that bad boy. Oh, what was you saying in the Philippines? Baboy. Because baboy in the Philippines means pork. And these are pork sausages, guys. Let's get them on there. Let's get it on. We're on. We're going. We're cooking. Okay. See you guys in 5 minutes. Okay, so they're cooked up. Just put them back on the top a bit now. And let them really roast. Don't know about you guys, man, but I'm getting pissed. Just loving this time off. Thank you very much to my ex-employer. They give me a whole week off. Loving it. Okay. Sausage time. Time for a sausage fest. They're going to be warm. They look a bit black. I might have overdone them a bit. Oh, got the noise. See guys, sausages. Let's go and get them in the bun. Sausages, Italian style buns, and a nice ninja, nice ninja knives. Okay, let's get these sliced. Get some sausages in there, some mustard and some cheese, I think. Okay, we're sorted. So, English mustard. Well, it's not exactly Coleman's, but it'll do. English mustard and red sauce. Some Edam cheese. Get some of that slammed in there. Oh yeah. That's going to be gorgeous. First we take the sausage. And if anybody who remembers the Swedish chef from the Muppet Show, let's get some of them in there. Yum yum. And the next stage, we just bung them in the microwave. Oh, they can just have a couple of minutes in there. Melt that cheese. It's all emotional, guys. Well, I'm absolutely starving, guys. So we're having buffalo hot dogs in Italian rolls. Oh wow, English mustard. Something's beeping at me. Yeah, get out. Come to daddy. Oh, here we go. They're the ones. There we go, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's just nail them. As usual, thanks for watching. Another shit video. But this is what I eat. And I normally nick most of Ascension's stock to do it.
Sabihin kung paano